Hi everybody, it's Danielle with Abrau Jewelry. I am going to show you today how easy it is to make your own single beaded end head pin. And what a head pin is it's essentially just a piece of wire with a decorative end. This particular one has 3 beads on the end. And I'm showing this today because yesterday I was in a predicament where I have a customer who wants these earrings shipped out today, and it's a rush order. And when I went through my supplies, I realized I was short just 2 of these single beaded end head pins. So I guess there were a few things I could have done. I could have canceled the order. I didn't have time to order more supplies, and or I could have panicked. But instead I ended up just making my own because they are so simple. I do usually purchase these head pins because they're just easier to purchase, but if you're ever in this same situation, you will see that they are just so easy to make all on your own. And so all you need is a piece of wire, and this is a piece of, I believe it's 18 gauge sterling silver wire, and your pliers, of course, and a torch. And you just stick the sterling silver wire into the blue part of the flame, and you wait until it balls up at the end, just like this. It literally takes just a few seconds. And as you can see, there's a little ball on the end. And all that does is prevent a bead from sliding off the bottom, but it also serves as a decorative piece. But the problem I also had is that I'm out of flux. Now, normally you would put flux all over your sterling silver wire, and then you would put your wire into a pickling solution, which removes the oxidation, which is this blackened piece here. When you put silver into the flame, it creates this blackened oxidation. And all I did then was take this jeweler file, and I just filed off the black part, and it revealed sterling silver underneath, and then I polished it up. And so the final product turned out like this. And honestly, I can't even tell which one is the one I purchased and which one I handmade, but that's just how easy it was. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. So if you're ever in the same situation where you need a component like a jump ring or a head pin, just know that you can make them on your own, and it's usually very, very simple. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always willing to help other artisans, and thank you for watching.